Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create a sketch on a part by taking reference from other part in SolidWorks assembly. I insert some parts in this assembly. Here is a flange which having some holes, and this flange is without holes. I want to create holes from this part to this part. For that, first of all, select mate, select this flange, outer surface, and this flange, and create mate, concentric, select OK. Now these both flanges having concentric mate. Now we can create these holes on this part. For that, select this part, and here is the option edit part. Select it. Now we can edit this part, and the other remaining parts will be transparent. I select this face because I want to create the holes on this face. I select this face, sketch. Now I select convert entities. This hole, select convert entities. Select these all holes. Press and hold Control button from keyboard. Select convert entities. Come back from the sketch. Go to features, extruded cut, line, depth of the cut 10 mm. Select OK. Now we create these holes on this part. Come back from the edit part. Now you can select mate and apply mate at here. Select OK. By this method you can create this sketch from first part to another part in assemblies. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.